When I was near the blessed shore, I heard the voice again, so sweetly that I cannot remember it, far less can write it. The beautiful lady opened her arms, clasped my head, and immersed me where I had perforce to swallow of the water. Then she took me and presented me thus bathed within the dance of the four beautiful ones, and each of them covered me with her arm. Here we are nymphs, and in heaven we are stars. And they shall presently be moistened, and a pleasant forgetfulness shall creep unto them. Of the vortices on the surface, and of those created at various depths of the water, and of those which take up the whole of that depth, and of the mobile and of the stable ones, of the oblong and the round ones, of those which do not change, and those which divide, and of those which convert into those where they join up, and of those which are mixed with fall in and reflect in water, and turn that water around. What kind of vortices turn light objects on the surface without submerging them? What kind are those that do submerge them and turn them at the bottom and then leave them there? What kind are those that detach things from the bottom and throw them up to the surface of the water? What are oblique vortices, and what upright ones, and what level ones?
Circolazione, rivoluzione, avvoltamento, ragionamento, sommergimento, sorgimento, declinazione, elevazione, paramento, consumamento, percussione, allenamento, discenso, impetuosità, ritrosi, urtamento, confagazione, ondazione, rigamenti, bollimenti, ricascamenti, ritardamenti, scaturire, versare, riversciamenti, rituffamenti, serpeggianti, rigore, mormorii, strepiti, angolari, ricalcitrare, flusso e riflusso, ruine, conquassamenti, baratri, spelonche delle ripere, vertigini, precipizi, riversciamenti, tumulto, confusione, ruine tempestose, equazioni, dualità, azioni di pietre, rottamenti, bollore, sommergimenti delle onde superficiali, ritardamenti, rompimenti, dividimenti, aprimenti,
The movements of the falling water after it has entered the pool are three in kind, and to these must be added a fourth, which is the movement of the air that is drawn into the water by the water. And this is the first, and let it be the first to be defined. And let the second be that of the air drawn into water, and the third, the movement of the reflected waters after they have yielded up the compressed air to the other air, when the water has risen in the shape of large bubbles. It acquires weight in the air and hence falls back onto the surface of that water, penetrating it as far down as the bottom, hitting and eating away that bottom. The fourth is the swirling movement on the surface of the pool of the water that returns to the place of its impact. Since it lies at a lower level between the falling and the reflected water, there is to be added a fifth motion, called the welling motion, which is the movement of the reflected water when it carries up the air to the surface that was submerged with it.
Esaltazione, circolazione, rivoluzione, avvolgimento, ragionamento, sommergimento, sorgimento, declinazione, elevazione, carramento, consumamento, percussione, allineamento, discenso, impetuosità, ritorno, confagazione, ondazione, legamenti, svolgimento, ricascamento, ritardamento, scatoria, versare, riversamenti, rituffamenti, serpeggianti, rigore, mormorini, strepiti, ingorare, recalcitrare, pulso e riflusso, ruine, contrastamenti, balate, spelonche di verite, revertismi, precipizio, ravversamenti, tumulto, confusione, ruine tempestose, equazioni, dualità, reazioni in pietra, rastamenti, vellore, sommergimento delle onde superficiali, ritardamenti, rompimenti, dividimenti, aprimenti, celerità, veemenza, porosità, impetuosità, concorso, declinazione, commistiamento, cascamento, sbalzamento, confusione d'acqua, confiscamento.